Sweet. What's going on, guys? Got a little different video today. My buddy Brian here. What kind of exhaust you get on your MT-09?
GPR high mount exhaust system.
And currently you have on a stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust system, yes.
So we're about to go for a little ride with Brian just so we can give you guys a good audio clip of his stock exhaust. We're gonna come back, put on the GP something exhaust, and then go do more audio clips. So that way you guys know what the difference in exhausts are. Should be a fun day. Brian, he waited a whole couple hours to put this on so he could do it for this video. So Brian, the people appreciate
18 hours I had to wait.
We appreciate your sacrifice that you made. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, step one. Luke, you ready? We're gonna get this crank up. Look at that. Look at that beast. No, we're gonna do that at the end. No underseat needed currently. Got a microphone under here. Luke's on cam. This little boy. Got good microphones. All right, stock exhaust, here we go. That's how quick we are, boy. Sweet. Crank up, rev, come to here, and then just go as fast as you're able to, and I'm just gonna be like panning with you. All right, we just got Brian riding off all the stock stuff. He's coming back now. So now we're gonna head back to the house, put his new exhaust on, and then we'll come back and do all that stuff all over again. Alrighty, so as you just saw, we just got done, or Brian just got done installing his new exhaust, even though it was an accidental low mount instead of a high mount. And the only thing we got to do now is go record all the follow stuff in the audio. So here is what the GPR exhaust on the MT-09 sounds like now.
Oh, the crackly noises are awesome.
And the verdict is, well, you can let us know in the comments. Brian, what is your personal verdict on the brand new exhaust?
It sounds really good. I very much enjoy the gurgle and burble on the deceleration.
I was telling Luke in the car, that bike, an MT-09 without an exhaust sounds, that bike deserves a better exhaust than what is stock.
Every bike does. I kind of,
Yeah.
you know. But I don't know. I think it might make a little extra power.
Right.
You know how that whole exhaust note tricks your mind into thinking, man, it's fast. But
Right.
when we did our chase car pull away,
Right.
and I left you there,
Right.
the first time I did it, I stormed away. The second time I did it, it floated the wheel as it stormed away. So
Nah, that's the way it's supposed to do.
now I don't know if that was just, you know, a little bit more
You were
throttle the
excited
second
about
time
it
than
and
the first
everything.
time, but
Right.
it felt snappy.
All right.
And that whole time I was in standard, not A mode.
Oh shit.
So
obviously you guys got to let us know in the comments, is that exhaust better than stock? Because that's a stupid question.
kind of
I know.
no-brainer, but-
If you like this exhaust video, let us know and we'll try to get more exhaust for more bikes.
Or for more exhaust for an MT-09 and just keep swapping them.
Yeah,
on.
we'll just start testing MT-09 exhausts. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you want, like the video if you want, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.